Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Rowe. If you have dental implants, keeping them clean is just as important as caring for your natural teeth. To maintain your implants, make sure you brush at least twice a day using a soft bristle brush. This helps remove plaque and food particles without irritating the surrounding gum tissue. Don't forget to floss daily, especially around each implant. Flossing helps prevent gum disease, which is crucial for the long-term success of your implant. By taking these simple steps, you can protect your dental implants and enjoy a healthy, lasting smile. If you've ever had any questions about caring for your implants, we're here to help. Your smile is our priority. Reach out anytime for more pro tips or to schedule a visit. Also, remember to check out our other ProDental Pro tips on our YouTube channel.